For women with severe autoimmune disorders, pregnancy was once nearly impossible due to their immune systems attacking the fetus. CAR-T cell therapy, where engineered cells target harmful immune responses, offers hope. Early studies suggest it may help regulate the immune system, allowing some women to carry healthy pregnancies. While research is still evolving, this breakthrough could redefine reproductive health for those with autoimmune conditions. CAR-T cell therapy is a treatment where immune cells are taken from your blood, reprogrammed in the lab to target specific diseases like cancer or autoimmune disorders, and then returned to your body. This precise approach helps the immune system stop attacking healthy parts of you, such as the placenta during pregnancy, making healthy pregnancies possible. CAR-T cell therapy modifies immune cells to target harmful cells without attacking healthy tissue. Scientists extract T cells from blood. We program them with CARs, chimeric antigen receptors, to recognize specific threats like overactive immune responses, and reintroduce them. This retrains the immune system to protect both mother and child during pregnancy, transforming a high-risk condition into a healthy one. CAR-T cell therapy retrains immune cells to stop attacking a mother's placenta, enabling healthy pregnancies in women with severe autoimmune disorders like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Clinical trials show it reduces flare-ups by up to 80%, allowing mothers to carry babies without complications. This breakthrough transforms what was once nearly impossible into a reality for many. Autoimmune disorders like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis turn pregnancy into a high-stakes game. Your immune system, meant to protect you, starts attacking your own body, including the placenta that nourishes your baby. It's like a defense system mistaking allies for enemies. But CAR-T cell therapy acts as a peacekeeper, retraining those rogue cells to focus on real threats instead. For women like Maria, who once faced flare-ups with every pregnancy attempt, this therapy meant her body learned to protect both her and her baby, turning a life of limitations into one of hope. Traditional treatments like steroids or immunosuppressants are like blasting your immune system with a sledgehammer, shooting down the whole defense, even against real threats. But CAR-T cell therapy is precision surgery. Scientists take your own immune cells, reprogram them to target only the harmful ones, and send them back in as trained peacekeepers. For women with lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, this means their immune system stops attacking their placenta, while still protecting them from infections. It's not just about survival. It's about thriving. Let's walk through how CAR-T cell therapy works, step by step. Imagine your immune system is like a team of soldiers. Some are loyal, but others have gone rogue, attacking your body instead of threats. With CAR-T therapy, scientists collect those rogue cells, reprogram them to recognize only the harmful ones, and send them back in as trained peacekeepers. It's like giving your immune system a software update. For women with lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, this means their bodies learn to protect both themselves and their baby without the brutal side effects of older treatments that shut down the entire defense. Meet Sarah, a mother who dreamed of holding her baby but faced setbacks due to lupus. Her body would attack her placenta during every pregnancy attempt, making it seem impossible. But after CAR-T cell therapy, her immune system got a software update retraining rogue cells to protect both her and her growing baby. Today, Sarah is a symbol of hope for others facing similar challenges, proving that with precision medicine, even the toughest obstacles can be overcome. CAR-T cell therapy is revolutionary, but it's not perfect yet. Like any new tool, we're still learning its long-term effects, how it behaves years after treatment or in different patients. Some women may need adjustments to their therapy as research evolves. But that's why science thrives. Every question answered opens doors for more progress. The goal isn't just safe pregnancies. It's healthier lives for mothers and babies alike. But there are myths about CAR-T therapy that hold people back, like thinking it's only for cancer, or that it's too risky to try. Let's clear those up. First, CAR-T isn't just a cancer tool. It's a precision power-up for the immune system. Think of it like editing software. Instead of deleting everything harmful, which is what old treatments did, it tweaks specific cells to target only the rogue ones. That means fewer side effects and more control, like turning down the volume on one instrument in an orchestra, not the whole band. But this is just the beginning. Scientists are already testing tiny, lab-grown organs, called organoids, to see how CAR-T therapy affects pregnancy before human trials. Imagine growing a miniature placenta in a dish to test therapies safely. Global teams are also collaborating to refine CAR-T, making it faster and more precise. The goal? Healthier pregnancies for every mother. So if you've ever wondered how science shapes our future, share this story. Let's keep exploring the breakthroughs that change lives. If you have autoimmune issues and pregnancy goals, start by talking to your doctor. CAR-T cell therapy isn't perfect, yet we're still learning its long-term effects, but it's a powerful tool that can help turn impossible pregnancies into reality. Think of it like editing software. Instead of deleting everything harmful, it tweaks specific cells to target only the rogue ones. That means fewer side effects and more control. But this is just the beginning. Scientists are testing tiny lab-grown organs to see how therapies affect pregnancy before human trials. So if you've ever wondered how science shapes our future, share this story with someone passionate about medical breakthroughs or pregnancy health. Let's keep exploring the breakthroughs that change lives. CAR-T cell therapy isn't just changing pregnancies, it's a blueprint for fixing other medical mysteries. Imagine growing tiny lab-made organs, like mini placentas, to test therapies safely before they ever reach patients. Scientists in the UK and US are already doing this with gut and brain organoids, saving time and lives. The same precision could one day help fight diseases or even grow new body parts on demand. The potential? Limitless. But it starts here with bold ideas turning into reality. This breakthrough in CAR-T cell therapy shows how science turns impossible challenges into real solutions. It's just one example of innovation like growing mini placenta organoids to test treatments or studying ancient viruses that shaped human reproduction. If you're curious about medical advancements, share this video to spark conversations. Ask questions.